If you're struggling to feed your family right now, you need to make this. This is a massive, high-protein vegan shepherd's pie. The entire pan costs less than $7 to make. That breaks down to about $1.15 per serving. It's warm, it's comforting, and it actually fills you up. Now let's get cooking. Screenshot the recipe right now. This is warm, everyday food. We're starting with 4 medium potatoes. This costs $2 and it goes to create that thick, comforting crust. Once they're soft, mash them up with a little vegan butter and a splash of plant-based milk. We want these creamy but firm enough to hold their shape in the oven. While those boil, we build the filling. Saute an onion, and then we use my secret budget weapon. Plant-based crumbles can get expensive, so I use the 50-50 rule. I use half plant-based crumbles and half cooked lentils. The lentils stretch the meat, double the fiber, and drop the price of this pan drastically. It still gives you that hearty ground beef texture and packs this dish with protein so it actually keeps you full. Now we build our gravy. Toss in a cup of frozen mixed veggies and your pantry spices. Bloom them in a pan for a minute so they release their flavors and don't taste dusty. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste or ketchup if that's what you have. Pour in a cup of vegetable broth mixed with a little bit of cornstarch. Turn the heat to low and watch how fast this turns into a thick, glossy, savory gravy. If you're loving this cozy recipe so far, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Pour your savory filling into a baking dish and top with your mashed potatoes. Here's a chef trick. Take a fork and score the top of the potatoes. Those little ridges will catch the heat in the oven and turn beautifully crisp and golden brown. Bake at 375 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. This dish is so comforting. Now let me show you the math. The potatoes and creamy top were $2.50. The filling base was $3.25, and the sauce and spices were about $1.15. The grand total for this massive pan is just $6.90. If you divide this into 6 generous servings, you're paying exactly $1.15 a meal. I think a lot of us are just trying to eat good without spending a fortune. If you want more budget-friendly recipes like this one, check out my cookbooks on my website. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.